Okay, so I'm going to talk about, maybe I really don't need to go to the whiteboard for every single problem. And as I'm doing this over here, I'm inserting six geometric means between that. So I'm going to say, just looking at it, I'm doing problem number 3, by the way. Whoops, sorry about that. Let me get my eraser out. I'm going to say A1 is 5/16. And then I'm going to say let's see, if I'm going to insert 6, so that's going to be, let's see, that would be this would be A8 then. I'll put this over here. And that's going to be 5120. All right? And they look kind of nasty looking numbers, but I think I can write down, simple equations to get the R, and then I'll talk about how to generate the other terms. All right, so what do you get over here? You would get 5/1, and you're allowed to use calculators. I do emphasize this because something really frustrating when you're doing arithmetic and you have to, spend a lot of time doing arithmetic, and that's going to be A1, which is 5/16, and this would be R to the 7th power. All right, so I'm looking at that, and I do want to simplify it. And part of that, I'm not using a calculator, by the way, but I need to divide 5 into 5/120. And what would that give you? Well, let's take a look at it. You get 1, that would be a 5. It's really not that bad. 1 comes down, that's a 2. Let's see, that would be 2, that would be 10, 2, 0, 4. Well, isn't that convenient? And what do you get? 1024, and then I'm going to do 16, and this would be R to the 7th. All right? Now I'm looking at that, and I'm going to say, powers of 2. Now, of course, it's going to be, let's see, 2 to the 10, and then it's going to be 2 to the, it's going to be 2 to the 4th, right? Let's just check that out. 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 16. Yep. 16, and then 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Yeah, it's working out beautifully. What do you get over here? This is really 2 to the 14th. And that would be R to the 7. What does that mean? R is going to actually be 2 squared. And what's R going to be? It's going to be 4. So R equals 4. I'm going to get my eraser out. And again, you might say it took a lot of time to get that. You should be able to do that. Now again, if you want to use a calculator, more than welcome to do it. It's not a problem, all right? So, you know what? Maybe I erased too much. Let me put that down again. So A1 was 5/16. Let's see, A8 is 5120. And now I can generate the other ones. I'm just going to do it by multiplying now. So 5/16 multiply by 4, that would be 5/4. Multiply by 4, you get 5. Then you get 20. And I'm multiplying by 4, 80, 320. Multiplying by 4, that's going to be 1280. Multiplying by 4, that's 4,000. I'll write this down. 4,000. And then it's going to be, let's see, 800. And then 4 times 80 is 320. And what do you get over there? 5120. I want to point out, this is what I just inserted, right? How many terms are there? Well, looking at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I want to go to the key, make sure I didn't misread anything. And do I see that? 5/4, 5, 20, 80, 320, 1280. It's all there, all right? So we need to move on. And it's getting a little bit easier at each step we go along the path. It started with number 1, then I did number 2, then did number 3, and we're going to move forward. Thank you.